Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up a T-Mobile mesh access point step by step so that you can extend your Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Now mesh access points help eliminate the weak signal areas and provide strong internet in the rooms far from your main gateway. So before starting the setup, just make sure that you have T-Mobile home internet gateway already connected and working. The mesh access point works together with the gateway to expand your Wi-Fi network. Then take your mesh device and plug it into the power outlet in the room where you want better Wi-Fi coverage. Try to place it somewhere between the gateway and the area where your signal is weak. After plugging in, wait for a few minutes for the device to power on. You will usually see an indicator light showing that the device is starting up. Now you need to open the T-Mobile internet application on your phone. This is going to help you manage the home internet network and the connected devices. Inside the app, go to the network or the Wi-Fi settings section and look for the option of add. Now follow further on-screen instructions in the app to pair the mesh access point with your gateway. In most of the cases, the app will automatically detect the mesh device when it is powered on. The pairing process usually takes a few minutes, and once it is completed, the mesh device will start extending your Wi-Fi network. After the setup is completed, simply check the signal strength in your room where your place is the mesh access point. If the signal is still weak, you can try moving the device slightly closer to the main gateway. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.